Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we are doing a complete specs and features breakdown of the NUU B30 5G. I'm going to walk you through every technical specification and feature this phone offers, so by the end of this video you will know exactly what you are getting. Let's jump right in, starting with the display, and this is where the B30 really impresses. We are looking at the 6.7-inch curved AMOLED panel. That's large screen with curved edges which gives it that premium flagship aesthetic. Resolution comes in at 1080 by 2400 pixels. That gives you sharp detailed visuals for everything from text to high definition video content. Now here is the key feature: 120Hz refresh rate. That means the screen refreshes 120 times per second, delivering incredibly smooth scrolling animations and gaming performance. Once you experience 120Hz, it's hard to go back to standard 60Hz displays. The display also features always on functionality, so you can check time, date, and notifications without waking the device. And because it's AMOLED technology, you get true blacks, vibrant colors, and excellent contrast ratios that make media consumption absolutely stunning. Under the hood, the B35 is powered by the MediaTek Dimensity 7050 chipset. This is a modern 5G capable processor built on efficient architecture. The CPU configuration is octa-core with a maximum clock speed of 2.6 GHz or to 600 MHz as specified. That serious processing power that handles demanding applications and multitasking with ease. Paired with that processor, you get 8 gigabytes of RAM. That RAM capacity ensures smooth multitasking, fast app switching, and the ability to keep multiple applications running simultaneously without slowdowns or lag. For storage, you are getting 256 gigabytes of internal memory. That's a massive amount of space for apps, games, photos, videos, music, and documents. Most users will never come close to filling that capacity. The B30 5G features a triple camera setup on the rear. The headline spec here is the 64 megapixel main sensor. That high resolution allows for detailed photos with plenty of information that can be cropped or zoomed without significant quality loss. Complementing the main sensor are two additional rear cameras that round out the triple camera system, providing versatility for different shooting scenarios. On the front, you get a 32 megapixel selfie camera. That's a high resolution front facing sensor that captures detailed selfies and delivers excellent quality for video calls and social media content. This is a 5G capable device, which means you are ready for next generation network speeds where 5G coverage is available. The cellular technology supported includes 5G on the following bands: N1, N2, N3, N5, N7, N25, N28, N40, N41, N66, and N71. That's comprehensive 5G band support for compatible carriers. For 4G LTE, the supported bands are B1, B2, B3, B4, B5, B7, B12, B13, B25, B26, B40, B41, B66, and B71. The device supports VU LTE, that's voice over LTE, and HD voice for crystal clear call quality that sounds significantly better than traditional voice calls. The B30 5G features dual SIM support with dual nano SIM card slots. This is perfect for users who want to maintain two phone numbers on one device, or for international travelers who want to use a local SIM card while keeping their home number active. Note that no SIM card is included with this device. You will need to obtain one from your carrier. This is an unlocked device, meaning it's not tied to any specific carrier. However, carrier compatibility is specific, so pay attention here. Compatible carriers include T-Mobile, Metro by T-Mobile, Mint Mobile, Q-Link Wireless, Telo Mobile, Ultra Mobile, Den Mobile, Hello Mobile, Speedshot Mobile, and other MVNO networks that operate on compatible bands. Not compatible with Verizon, AT&T, Cricket, Boost Mobile, Track Phone, Pulse, Cellular, Union Wireless, Spectrum, or any CDMA carrier globally. This is crucial information. If you are on one of these carriers' phone, these phones will not work with you for international use. The phone will work globally, but you must verify that your destination carrier supports bring your own device and operates on the bands listed earlier. Some carriers may also require manual APN configuration. The B35G runs Android 14, which is the latest version of Google's mobile operating system. As of this mobile release, the B35G runs Android 14, which is the latest version of Google's mobile operating system. As of this phone's release, importantly, this is stock Android 14, meaning it's the pure, unmodified version directly from Google. There's no manufacturer's skin layered on top, no bloatware pre-installed, and no intrusive advertisements. You get a clean, fast, and efficient Android experience exactly as Google intended. The model name is B30 and it comes in a black color finish that looks sleek and professional. The brand is NUU, a company that's been making waves in the affordable smartphone market by offering premium features at competitive price. NUU provides a 365-day manufacturer warranty for customers within the United States. That's a full year of coverage, which demonstrates confidence in the product's quality and reliability. Customer support is accessible directly through an app included on the device. If you have questions, need technical assistance, or encounter any issues, you can reach the NUU service team right from your phone. This direct support channel makes getting help convenient and straightforward. Let me quickly summarize the standout features that make the B35G compelling. The 6.7-inch curved AMOLED display with 120 Hz refresh rate delivers a premium visual experience with smooth, responsive performance. The MediaTek Dimensity 7050 processor with octa-core architecture and 2.6 GHz clock speed provides powerful performance for gaming, multitasking, and demanding applications. 8 GB of RAM ensures smooth multitasking without lag or slowdowns. 256 GB of internal storage gives you massive space for your content. The 64 megapixel main camera and 32 megapixel selfie camera delivers high resolution photography. 5G connectivity future proofs your device for faster data speeds. Dual SIM sports adds flexibility for multiple numbers or international travel. Truck Android 14 provides a clean, bloatware-free experience, wide carrier compatibility with major networks like T-Mobile and MVNOS. 365-day US warranty and direct support access provide peace of mind. Based on these specifications and features, the NUU B30 is ideal for users who want flagship level specs without paying flagship prices. If you are on a compatible carrier and you prioritize display quality, smooth performance, ample storage, and 5G connectivity, this phone checks all the boxes. It's particularly well suited for media consumers who watch a lot of video content, mobile gamers who want responsive performance, and users who need plenty of storage for apps and media files. The dual SIM capability makes it excellent for international travelers or anyone who manages multiple phone numbers. The NUU B30 delivers an impressive specifications sheet that competes with phones costing significantly more. The combination of premium display technology, capable processor, generous memory and storage, versatile camera, and modern connectivity options make this compelling option in the budget smartphone space. Just make absolutely sure your carrier is compatible before purchasing, as network support is the one area where this phone has limitations. That's everything you need to know about the NUU B35G specs and features. If you found this detailed breakdown helpful, give this video a thumbs up and subscribe for more in-depth tech coverage. Drop any question in the comments below. I am here to help. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.